Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 240. If we start with this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 4 covering here and 4 covering here, so the only place our 4 can be is here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing a 2. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this top row now, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 6. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. And it's the same as here and here, so we can just pick where we're going to put those. So if we make this our 3, that makes this our 5, 3, and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.